Dr. Kenneth Madweke. Biko, Biagbanyoku, Doki, Abel.
I thank everybody coming down here tonight to support VAR Media. We are people of different faces, with different mind. We might do things the same way, but we might reason different way. I love what VAR Media presented tonight. With the support of our boss, Mr. Cow. And this table right here, you know, we stay here all day, every day, weekly. Parliament, we call it Parliament. Where the wisdom, we discuss the wisdom. This is the place we started from. Every night we go out, we sit down here. People will think we're in maybe our wives will think we're in the bar smoking, drinking, having, but we're here, we're discussing things we benefit the youth. This started from right here. We talk about it every day. We didn't go anywhere, we didn't go to anybody's house. I might never be in, not everybody's house here, but this is the place it started from. I had my doctorate in nurse practitioner. So I practice medicine. I take care of people. You're sick, I give you prescription. It's in my car. You're going to have some drugs. Our engineer, Clementese, said it. We own our spirit. We have to do. It's what you have to give to people. You can't give what you don't have. If you have a way to give people wisdom, give them a little wisdom. You don't need to give them money, give them advice. In this community today, I don't have money, but people have called me. They need a job. I tell them there's a job. I don't have money. I'm not rich, but I might be rich. And I see it already. The richness will come. Through what? Discussion. It will come. You will see it. And I'm a guy that I start from nowhere. Based on this small fire is my guy. He goes with me. He say, man, we'll do it. So I might be sleeping in Imo State government house. Maybe through someone. I don't know. But this is what we're doing today. Set up the future. Because you can never predict future. But if you are hard working, we look onto the future. And you look at the past, who you are, and you change your future. So people might think we're playing here, maybe coming to eat buns or rice. Or, no. It's not what we are doing. We are doing things here tonight for you to look at it and sit down and think about it. And say, tomorrow, what am I heading to? We do big things. We do things. And I love people here tonight being here. Hearing what we are saying. We have, I like fun. But tonight make change. That people have to listen, sit down and think about it. To pay attention and believe that their future is on your hand. You won't blame nobody. Their future. You have to work hard to make your future. I left to work. I'm from work. I just left my office, jumped down here, and said I must be here tonight. Because that's what I love. So we're here. We have to support each other. We have to be there for each other. We have to love one another. We have to be brother's keeper. Brother keepers is not about drinking beer. We have to be together. We have to unite. And we do better. Believe me, we are starting. You still have more future in yourself. Future doesn't mean until you get to the grave. That's when your future ends. Your future is right here growing. Your future ends once you go to the grave. Thank everybody for being here. And thank you guys for bringing me in to speak. So thank you very much. I salute you, Ogakao, Chief Clementese. I'm loyal with my couple of my friends here. I cannot name. Bonnie Life, Civic. I see you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Kenneth Madeke, you are not a man of too many words.